In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the most common Telegram BotFather errors, including invalid token, 401 unauthorized, username taken, invalid username, and bot limit reached. These errors are usually easy to solve once you identify the exact message Telegram is showing you. If this guide helps, please tap the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started. First, let's fix the invalid token or 401 unauthorized error. This usually happens when your bot token has been copied incorrectly, contains an extra space, or has been revoked and replaced. Open Telegram and search for the official account called BotFather. Make sure you are using the verified BotFather account because there can be unofficial accounts with similar names. Open the conversation with BotFather and tap Start, or send the command /mybots. Select the bot you want to use, then open the API token option. BotFather will display the complete token for that bot. Copy the entire token directly from BotFather. Do not type it manually and do not copy only part of it. When pasting the token into your code, hosting platform, or bot management tool, make sure there are no spaces before or after the token. Also check that you have not accidentally included quotation marks, a line break, or other characters. After updating the token, save your file or environment variable and restart your bot application. Then test the bot again. If you still receive a 401 unauthorized error, the token may have been revoked. In that case, open BotFather, select your bot, choose the option to generate a new token, and replace the old token everywhere your bot is configured. Remember that once you generate a new token, the previous token may no longer work, so update your application immediately. Next, let's fix the username taken or invalid username error. When creating a new bot with the /newbot command, BotFather asks you to choose a name and a username. The visible name can be more flexible, but the username must follow Telegram's specific rules. Your bot username must end with the word bot or with an underscore followed by bot. For example, Helpful Weatherbot or Helpful Weatherbot would follow the required format. The username also needs to be completely unique across Telegram. If BotFather says the username is taken, try adding a unique word, number, brand name, or location. Avoid using spaces, unusual symbols, or a username that does not end in bot. For example, instead of Weatherbot, try My Weather Assistant Bot or Weather Updates Bot. Type the username carefully and submit it again. If the username is still rejected, make it more unique and confirm that it ends with bot or underscore bot. Finally, let's look at the bot limit reached error. Telegram may prevent you from creating additional bots when your account has reached its bot limit. The easiest solution is to review your existing bots and remove any that you no longer use. In BotFather, send /mybots and review the list of bots connected to your account. Select an old or unused bot, open its settings, and choose the option to delete the bot. Follow the confirmation instructions carefully because deleting a bot is permanent and cannot usually be undone. After removing unused bots, return to BotFather and try the /newbot command again. If the limit message continues to appear, wait a short time and try again because Telegram may need time to update your account status. Also make sure you are managing the correct Telegram account and that you have not accidentally created bots under another account. Before finishing, here are a few quick checks. Always copy tokens directly from BotFather, keep them private, and never post them in screenshots, public code, or chat messages. Confirm that your username ends with bot or underscore bot and is unique. If you reach the bot limit, delete only bots you are certain you no longer need. These simple checks solve most BotFather setup problems. And that's how to fix Telegram BotFather errors, including invalid token, 401 unauthorized, username taken, invalid username, and bot limit reached. If this tutorial solved your problem, please like the video, subscribe for more Telegram and software guides, and share it with someone who is building a Telegram bot. Thanks for watching.